Welcome aboard the MSC Magnifica, a ship where timeless elegance meets modern comfort on the high seas. Launched in 2010 as part of MSC Cruises' Magnifica class, the Magnifica blends Italian sophistication with world-class amenities. Stretching over 290 meters in length and accommodating around 2,500 guests, this mid-sized cruise ship offers the perfect balance between vibrant entertainment and peaceful retreat. From the moment you step on board, you're greeted by sleek design, marble staircases, and an atmosphere that feels both luxurious and inviting. On board, guests can also enjoy a wide range of activities and spaces to suit every type of traveler. Whether you're unwinding at the MSC Aurea Spa or keeping fit at the panoramic gym, the ship is designed for comfort and leisure. For food lovers, the Magnifica serves up international flavors across multiple dining venues, including the elegant Ladera and Quattro Venti restaurants, as well as buffet and a la carte options to satisfy every. One of the highlights of the Magnifica is its beautiful swimming pool areas, perfect for relaxing or taking a refreshing dip. The main outdoor pool, called Le Grand Bleu, is surrounded by plenty of sun loungers and features a large LED screen for movies and entertainment. For those who prefer to swim in any weather, the ship also offers the Magradome Pool, a stunning indoor-outdoor pool with a retractable glass roof, so you can enjoy a swim even if it's raining or cool outside. The surrounding whirlpools, comfortable seating, and poolside bar make it a favorite spot for both relaxation and family fun. Evenings come alive with dazzling entertainment in the Royal Theatre, stylish lounges, and a vibrant casino. Families are well taken care of too, with kids and teens clubs offering age-appropriate fun. And if you're in the mood for romance or relaxation, nothing beats sipping a cocktail on the open deck as the sun sets over the ocean. Whether you're cruising through the Mediterranean, Northern Europe, or South America, the MSC Magnifica offers a voyage that blends discovery, indulgence, and pure cruise magic.
Ride the waves in the soft moonlight. Dreams unfold on the ocean tonight. Stars above whisper secrets untold. A journey of calm as the tides take hold. Golden hues paint the morning sky. Seagulls soar where the breezes sigh. Gentle waters stretch endlessly wide. A tranquil escape where hearts confide. Let the sea carry you